Windscribe VPN offers a powerful desktop application, browser extension, and Android app combo that works to deliver the safest browsing experience possible, no matter which device you are surfing on. The best part is no name, email, or other personal information is required when creating a user account, and no logs are stored over other user activities on the network. Windscribe masks your physical location from third parties and lets you access geo-locked content from anywhere. With a Windscribe VPN subscription, you can enjoy unlimited downloads and unlimited simultaneous connections. Let's talk about security. Windscribe primarily uses IKE version 2 IPsec encryption protocol in its clients, which are both very secure. Now let us talk about the Windscribe VPN servers. Windscribe has servers in over 100 locations and 52 countries. Windscribe VPN offers free VPN too. At first, you will get 2 GB of data while creating an account, but as soon as you confirm your email address, you will get 8 GB extra. If you tweet about them, you will get 5 GB extra, so total of 15 GB of data is given to its user for free. The free VPN servers include US, Canada, UK, Hong Kong, Germany, France, Netherlands, Switzerland, Turkey, and many more locations. Let us talk about privacy. Windscribe does not lead to permanent logs of user activities and deletes all tracks 3 minutes after the connection is interrupted. The only permanent log is a timestamp on when a user was last connected to the service, which is saved to identify and remove passive accounts. It only requires a username and a password to create a Windscribe account, so it does not contain any personal data at all. It takes about 10 seconds to register a new user. Just select a username and password and get started. It is not even necessary to enter an email, so no personal information is associated with the user profile. Now let us talk about Windscribe VPN features. The free plan includes 10 GB of free data per month, one of the best offers on the market. Free plan includes servers like US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, etc. Windscribe VPN is super easy to use. Just one tap and your connection is totally safe. Windscribe VPN provides malware blocker to protect the system and run the browser smoothly. This VPN service comes with DNS leak protection. It has a no logs policy, which does not keep user history. All data passing through the Windscribe VPN are encrypted through 256 AES encryption, which ensures nobody can spy on your internet activities. You can increase the data limit by tweeting about the Windscribe VPN or by inviting friends. It provides you a location hiding encrypted tunnel, which gives you access to geo-restricted content. The Windscribe VPN includes a tracker blocker. This way, websites cannot track you. This service is also available on other operating systems and browsers. Windscribe VPN supports split tunneling. This way you can choose which app should go over the VPN tunnel. Let us see how to connect the Windscribe VPN service. First, open the Windscribe VPN Android app and click on white color circular icon. When it is connected, you will see the connected status on the Android app screen. You will also see a key icon at the top right corner of the app. Now just open the Google Chrome mobile browser and open the Incognito tab. In the search bar, type My Location and click on search icon. This way you can see your virtual location on the Google Chrome browser. Now let us change the virtual location in the Windscribe VPN app. In order to do that, first open the app and look for the available country names in the list. Let us say if I tap on Switzerland, then it will show me the VPN servers available in the Switzerland location. Here I am choosing Zurich. As soon as I tap on Zurich server, you can see within seconds it is connected to Zurich location. Now let us check this in Google Chrome browser. I am opening another Incognito tab and I am searching My Location in search bar. As you can see, it is showing me Zurich on Google Maps. You can see your favorite servers by tapping on the heart icon of the user interface. Now let us see some other options of the Windscribe VPN Android app. Click on the 3-bar hamburger icon on the top left corner. A new user interface will be opened in front of you. Here, click on the account option. Now tap on the Edit Account option at the bottom of the screen. This way, you will be able to customize your user account in a more professional way. Now click on My Account option. The drop-down menu will show Advanced option here. Click on Robot option. You can click on Malware Protection and Trackers Protection from here. Some options are available for Pro account users. Now come back to the Windscribe VPN app dashboard and click on 3-bar hamburger icon. Tap on Connection icon. Here you can enable or disable the split tunneling option. It also has Always On VPN and other useful features. Windscribe provides Robot feature. This tool blocks malware by default. It can also be used to block specific social media sites, gambling, and even sites that publish fake news, which is a Pro account feature. This Windscribe VPN feature protects you from viruses, etc. Taking control of Robot is putting yourself completely in the cyber driving seat. So this was the quick introduction of the Windscribe VPN Android app.